Hey everyone, this is me Grancy, ang nag-isang chikadora ng bayan na babae may bikot, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for this vlog, we will tackle about this Melinda's Garden here in Tanay Rizal. It is near or at the back of the STI, I guess, and some of the tricycle drivers are not familiar with it. So, I will tell you this is near SSS. If you're from the crossing of Sampaloc Road, and if you're from the Heaven of Rest, it's near STI. So that's it. And without further ado, let's watch this. So this is the Melinda's Garden. That are the private rooms. Meron sa rooftop. Meron isang private room here, and the private room that we get. Tapos the event place there. Ito yung mismong garden. Yep, this is a waiting area. This is the garden. Yeah, so malawak siya bukod dun sa may hall nila na event place. Yan. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Melinda's Resort dito sa Tanay Rizal, and we're celebrating New Year's Eve dito with the family, and itong room na ito is the package 2. Ayan, so nakita niyo yung bed, yung pamangkin ko, si Dave. Ayan, so meron pa siyang other foam para sa mga person na pwede pa matulog. So may sink dyan. This is the CR. Yeah, merong matic na exhaust and shower room, and mahalaga may bidet. So, ayan. Okay. Sa labas guys, ayan ang pool area. Show you the paano ba ito i-open na yun? The pool area. How? Push. How to open this one? Ah, ito pala. Sorry. Di pala siya sliding. So ito, jacuzzi yata. So, ito yung pool. Parang yung taas niya is 4 feet. Yan. And another package yan, pero di namin yan kinuha. So, meron silang kitchen area. Kitchen. So, pwede kayong magluto dyan. The water, hindi ko lang sure how. Yung ref, ito. Later siguro. Tapos may video, okay? Ito, meron dito malaking table for the family. Open pala yung likod. Tapos ayun siya. May garden, may event place din doon. Tapos may room doon na mga private rooms. So mapasukin natin yung isa dyan kasi doon nakabook yung ate ko. Bukod dito sa amin. This is the parking area. Kung meron kayong private car and everything. Tapos ito sa taas, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong balcony dito sa package 2. So, let's go. As you can see, madilim. Pwede kayong open. Wow! So, ayan siya. So, Pwede kayo mag-chill-chill dito habang nanonood ng fireworks dyan. Kasi diba, this event is for... Ay, may hammock pa. This event is for New Year. Wag lang sana pumunta dito ang paputok. Pero, super goods na siya. Ang lapit lang niya sa bayan. Nandun na yung SSS Tanay. Somewhere there. So, ito ay palayan na yan. Pag makikita niyo yan ng morning. Yan. So, hindi ko siya nakikita with my bare eyes. Pero dito sa phone, matik siyang nakikita. May ganda. And try natin yung hammock. Let's try the hammock. Whoop. Medyo slippery lang siya. Yan. So, relaxing mga mi. Nakaka-relax siya. So, ayan. And ito yung jacuzzi sa dito from the balcony. And habang nagpa-party sila dyan, pwede may magiinom dito. Binong ating nakausap namin last November, specifically. So, ito daw ay for kamag-anak and kapitbahay ng mga kilala lang nung may-ari. And nung pandemic, nag-start sila na i-renovate ito. And ginawa nilang ganito, kaganda yung place. Kabongga talaga. So, bababa muna ako kasi walang kasama yung pamangkin ko doon. So, bye! My favorite spot here. It's so cozy and nice. I love it. And they have the first CR here in the living room, and then the room itself sobrang kalat kasi pauwi na kami. And then next CR. So yung cabinet for the dress and for the other things, vanity table and everything. This is view from inside the Vancouver, and that's a garden area, and this one is going to the event place. Is waiting area or something you can tambay-tambay, diba? And parking area for the private rooms. May also private parking area there. Then sa may function hall area beside the pool. So yun, and then there's a ladder and more rooms there. And then meron din sa rooftop if you want it. Cute din. One, two, three. Smile. Hi guys. So this is my Grancy. And these are the things to improve here in Melinda's Garden. So first of all, yung kanilang sa private rooms na napuntahan namin, ang kanilang tuwalya ay mayroon ng mga rust and stains. The towels have stain. Ayan, sa sinampay ito eh. Although it is laba naman siguro, and make sure din na inform nyo yung panggabi na bantay na magkakaroon kayo ng maraming kumot dahil ilang packs kayo, dahil kagabi tulog na siya, so nahiya naman na kaming gisingin siya para dun sa extra kumot. So kanya-kanyang diskarte kami na tuwalya ang ginamit, tapos yung iba hindi na nagkumot. Then ito, yung pinakita kong area kanina sa bubong, tumutulo yun nung umulan. So, madaming nadulas dun sa part na yun. Kasi, although, yung mga nagsiswimming, pupunta dun, mapupunta rin yung water. Pero, mas malilesin yung water kapag na-fix yung bubong. By the way, the private room that we booked ay Vancouver. So kung balak nyo, ang issue lang dito is yung heater. Hindi siya nag-work. The heater is not working kahit yung kanilang tagabantay ay inasikaso na. So hindi pa rin siya nag-work. Maybe they can fix it before the guest will come and test it para maging satisfied naman ang customer. So this one, pwede na nilang palitan yan. Yung pool area nila, nagkaroon ng rashes ang aking mga pamangkin. As you can see, siguro dahil tag-ulan ng tag-ulan, medyo may mga ano na rin, dumi-dumi.